You ever feel like your brain's a Ferrari, but you're stuck doing circles in a parking lot? You're not lazy, you're just smart and overloaded. Ironically, the smarter you are, the harder it is to focus. But give me 30 seconds and I'll show you how to flip that. In this video, you'll learn 3 counterintuitive focus strategies built for smart, distracted minds like yours. Let's go. Smart brains equals busy brains. See, intelligence comes with a cost, mental stimulation. Smart minds are constantly scanning, predicting, planning. They crave novelty. They find patterns others don't. And that's amazing, in theory. But in practice, it means sitting still and doing one thing feels boring. And boredom is the enemy of focus. When your brain is capable of building galaxies, focusing on a single spreadsheet or book page feels like putting a Ferrari on a tricycle track. So what happens? You procrastinate. You jump to YouTube. You daydream about 10 projects at once and finish none. But here's the secret nobody tells you. Focus is not about reducing intelligence. It's about weaponizing it. Define your war. Not every battle. Smart people love complexity, so they overplan. They want to master 17 habits, read 12 books, and optimize every corner of their life. But the brain isn't designed to execute 17 things. It's built for clarity, so choose one. Just one obsession. If you define one clear war, one mission that matters, your brain will stop scattering and start locking in. Not because it's forced to, but because it finally knows where to aim. Time box the overthinking. Your intelligence is a gift, but only when it's trained, so build thinking time into your day. Literally, 15 minutes a day just for deep thought. Write, reflect, strategize. But when that time is over, execute. No more debating. No more what if. You already thought about it. Now it's go time. Create friction against distraction. The smarter you are, the more tempting your distractions become. You're not just wasting time, you're seducing yourself with better ideas. So make distractions harder to reach. Put your phone in another room. Use sight blockers. Don't rely on willpower. Rely on environment design. Smart minds don't need more motivation. They need fewer escape routes. Final shot. You're not lazy. You're built for more. But power without precision? It's noise. Now it's time to turn that noise into momentum. So here's your next move. Pick one goal. Set a 30-minute timer. Shut out everything else. And just start. When you finish, drop a fire in the comments. Let the world know a smart mind just locked in. And if this spoke to you, subscribe. Because this channel is where sharp minds come to sharpen each other. You've got the power. Let's build something unstoppable.